si Mr. Nandoon siya. Kasi meron siyang dike dyan, kanal ba? Na-block yung kanal, so yung tubig, kumawas siya mga loves. So the water is running down here sa field. Pupuntahan natin mga loves kasi kawawa. Kakain ako ng pangumagahan and tingnan niyo, hindi ko siya naubos kahapon sa dinner ba kasi 'di ba malaki yung budget. Kaya ayun, hindi ko siya naubos. Tapos meron din tayong leftover na bolognese, iniinit ko na. We're too late mga loves. Supposedly I'm gonna help you.
You need to get out of bed in the morning. It's coffee time now.
A lot of people were asking, why do you love your wife?
Because she's so beautiful, kind-hearted. She's lying. She just made this question up. I know.
Why do you love your wife?
Secret.
Yeah. It's so warm mga loves, despite there's no sun, but it's warm. The air actually is warm, isn't it?
Yeah, it must be from the south, that's why. I'm going to open pool and put robot in again.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's coffee first and change the boots. Get my hamper off.
Yeah, yeah.
I don't know whether that'll work all the time, but where it's done.
We are in the enclosure and I am adoring this lemon tree kasi dami talaga niyang flowers mga loves. Nakakatuwa ba i-imagine if all these flowers will become a lemon. Yeah, meron pa dito. Where?
Orange flowers.
Oh yeah, ito din oh, meron ng bulaklak. But something is eating this. Something is not right in this tree. So we're gonna go over there. Kung saan nagkukay si Mr. Oh yeah, the water has stopped now here mga loves.
There is a hole here.
Tingnan nyo, ano talaga, nung block yung kanal, dito talaga dumadalo yung tubig. So it stopped now, so let's have a look. Yeah, there's a water up there. Let's go. Yeah, the long green grass. God, the ground is so wet.
There'll be lots of water coming down here. Nice steady flow.
Hopefully.
Dandelion.
No, plenty of dandelion.
No good wine there.
Well, we should pick them up and make a wine. Oh yeah. Okay na.
Yesterday when I come, there's no water coming down here.
Let's go to where you dig. Saan yung motorbike? Nandoon. Bilis mo patakbo ha. Ha? Okay. Yeah. Birds tweeting. Yeah. So dito nagkukay si Mr. John. Na-block yung kanal dito. Oh, you make a lot of mess here. Oh my goodness, Mr. Anyway, mga loves, aside sa double walling na ginagawa nila dito, nilalagyan din nila ng cavity yung wall. So where do you put the cavity? In between or?
It goes in between them.
Yeah, in between the walls.
Blocks and there's a hole in the middle.
Yeah.
Well, they go in.
Gosh.
Keeps it snuggles.
Yeah.
Right.
And all this will be used in the shower room. Diba?
Get showered up.
Go get showered. I'll stay here.
Well, Robo's alright.
Robo's okay? Do you think?
All it'll do is stop if it gets stuck.
Tapos na si Mr. Robot, mga loves, maglinis. Hello? Did you empty her? Alright. Okay. Ito yung filter sa loob ng robot, mga loves. We're expecting na sobrang dirty. Walang masyadong laman sa loob. That's good. That's good. How long ago did she clean the pool? Is it?
We did it last week.
Yeah, like 5 days ago, isn't it?
Yeah, but it's not unusual.
Yeah. I called her she because her name is Mia. What are you gonna do with this? Do you just clean it?
Oh. Yeah.
Careful. So as you can see, the filter is a bit green. Green talaga. Be careful, honey, it's hot. Very hot. Tingnan niyo.
Look how clean that's coming.
Wow.
Look at that.
Yeah.
Just shows you, doesn't it?
Yeah.
The thing is, dude, like that.
Wow.
Just out of the water and it's cleaning it. It's done a good job. You need to turn it over and roll down.
That's a good job. Kasi pinifilter din niya yung water talaga ba? Look. It looks cleaner now compared to this.
Well, it's a brand new filter, right? What I will do is I'll stand these.
Ang lakas-lakas ng hangin, mga loves. So, pupunta tayo sa Tesco. Ay, sandali lang. Hindi sa Tesco. Sa Aldi tayo pupunta. Sandali lang. I have my card. I got my money. Yeah, I got my bag. So, let's go. So, tayo lang kasi this is a top-up grocery. Oops. Don't be music. We don't want music here. It's actually 18 degrees, mga loves. That's good. Ayop, hindi kayo mahulog dyan. So, maghuhul ako. So, halos sa mga pinamili ko talaga mga palangga is para bukas. Kasi pupunta ulit yung asawa ni Ate Janice. So, ayun. Ito yung panghapunan nila at pang lunch. Bumili ako ng mushrooms, strawberries, Milky Way. This is for me. Alam nyo yung hangin nakakatakot kasi sobrang lakas, mga loves. Paborito ko kasi itong Milky Way. Ito talaga yung tsokolate na masarap para sa akin, masarap. Tomatoes, onion rings, bacon. Ang Maganda tong bag ko na to kasi 1 kilo siya. Then, bumili ako ng 3 steak. So, 2 sirloin. Yan. And isang ram. Kasi I like ram steak kasi. It says Big Daddy Extra Thick Cut Ram Steak. Sarap niyan. So, yun lang. Yun lang talaga yung pinunta ko. Then, tapos gagawa tayong mamaya ng dessert. Magsisimula na tayong gumawa ng sponge drop. So, the ingredients, sobrang simple ng dessert na to. Matagal-tagal ko na tong hindi nagawa. Like 2 years ago. Nung last time kong ginawa to. So, meron tayong 150 grams of self-raising flour. And then, same din, 150 grams of caster sugar and egg. 4 eggs yung ginamit ko. So, I just need to beat lightly the egg and then we're gonna put the sugar slowly. So, yan na siya. Now, we're just gonna add the sugar. Right, I'm happy with this. And now, I just need to fold in the flour. So, slowly lang mga loves. Itong recipe na to, bigay ito sa akin ng aking katrabaho. Yung katrabaho ko sa care home. Sobrang thankful ako sa kanila mga palangga. Kasi, you know, sa care home, siya yung first ever job ko dito sa UK. And thankful ako sa mga tao na nakilala ko doon kasi sobrang babait. And they see me as their own child. Kasi ako yung pinaka like third youngest doon na nagtatrabaho sa care home na yun. And until now, we still get in touch and they're asking me how I am doing sa school ko, in general, how's my family. So yeah, thankful ako sa kanila ba. And itong katrabaho na to, yung anak niya, nurse din. Kaya nung sinabi ko sa kanila na mag-aaral ako, sobrang supportive niya talaga. So, all the way through. Sabi niya, kung meron kang kailangan, sabihan ko sa iyong anak ko para matulungan ka, ganito, ganyan. So, yeah. So, ito na siya mga loves. I'm happy with this. So, doon, meron akong tray na prepare. So, para dumikit itong ating parchment paper, maglalagay ako ng butter dito sa ilalim para dumikit talaga ba. So, you're just gonna put a butter here in a small blobs. So, depende na yun sa inyo kung gaano kalaki yung gusto nyo. And kung it will come out in the oven na medium shapen siya, just cut it using a scissor or ayayay. Nakalimutan ko mga loves. Nakalimutan ko! Nakalimutan ko siyang i-sprayhan. Kasi even though na gumamit tayo ng parchment paper, para precaution ba, mag-i-spray pa. I-spray pa. Para precaution, mag-i-spray tayo para make sure talaga ba na hindi siya didikit. So, yan na siya. Lalagay natin sa oven. Update mga loves. So, ito na yung sponge natin. So, kinat ko na to. Yan. Gumamit ako ng kunting. And, meron pa tayong 3 pair dito na hindi ko pa siya na-shape kasi pinapalamig ko pa. Malamig na actually. And, ito, mga sobra-sobra. Hindi natin ito itatapon kasi masarap to. Pasensyahan nyo na mga palangga kung may naririnig kayo. Hangin yan. Yan na. Partner na silang dalawa. There you go. Tapos na tayo. So, we got 7 pair. Yan. So, I'm just gonna whip the cream and then ilalagay natin dito. So, maglagay kayo ng jam. Depende na sa inyo kung gaano karaming jam yung ilalagay nyo. Tapos, maglagay kayo ng cream dito. So, kayo na rin yung bahala kung gaano karaming cream ilalagay nyo. The more, the better. Mas masarap. Pero of course, unhealthy siya. So, ang plano ko dito mga palangga is I'm gonna serve this with fruit. Gusto ko sana siyang lagyan ng fruit pero hindi ako sure ba kung maglalas ba siya. Kasi baka magtubig yung fruits ba. Eh, ano pa naman tong ating pastry. Thin pastry lang ba. Then, normally, binubudburan mo to ng icing sugar. Pero tumuro ko na siya lalagyan ng icing sugar before ko siya i-serve. So, yan na siya mga loves.